Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new around here then hello, my name is Sarah Jane. Today I'm going to be doing my monthly crochet favourites and I'm going to be sharing everything that I've been loving throughout June. So if this is the first time that you've tuned in to one of my monthly favourites, I'm basically going to be going through some yarn, some stitches, some accounts that I've been loving on Instagram. I'm also going to be sharing the winner of last month's sort of mini giveaway. So every month I choose somebody who's used the hashtag that I give out in the video and I look through their profile and send them out a little gift to say thank you for subscribing to my channel and for watching my videos. So that's the kind of thing you're going to expect from this video today. So let's get stuck straight in and let's start with yarn. So the first yarn that I've been loving is this Hooked Ribbon XL, and this is a t-shirt yarn. But it's really nice because yes, it's a t-shirt yarn, but it's not overly thick and it's a lot easier to work with, I've found, compared to some of the other t-shirt yarns. So I absolutely love this and I love these three colours. I'll leave links in the description box below for you so you can go and check these out, as well as everything else that I've talked about. I have used these for a couple of different projects. I'll try and insert a picture so that you can have a look, and there is also a blog post that I did about hooked yarn as well, so I'll link that in the description box too. And then also, as I was picking out that yarn, I remembered about this book. So this is Hooked Knitting and Crochet, and it's got some really lovely projects in there that you can use their yarn with. So they've got Hooked Ribbon XL, and they also have Hooked Spaghetti. I can never quite say that, but this is a really good book as well. So there's lots of different projects in there that you can do, but this is a really nice book. I would definitely recommend it. Loads of really good projects. The next yarn I want to talk about is the Paintbox Yarns Baby DK. So the reason why I like this yarn in particular is because I think that it has some really nice modern colours. So yes, they are kind of baby colours, but they also are quite modern. I picked these 4 up and I just think they go really nice together. I think they would make a gorgeous blanket, and as I'm holding these here, I'm actually thinking that these would make a really nice bubble stripe blanket. So this yarn is actually really nice and soft. It's actually an acrylic and nylon mix, and it comes in a 50-gram ball. I believe that both of these yarns are on sale on the Love Crochet website, so make sure that you go and check that out. Again, I'll leave all the links in the description box below, but I love this. If you're thinking of making any baby projects, then definitely check this out because the colours are really nice. On to accessories. I have been reaching for these quite a lot lately. So these are the rose gold embroidery scissors. I actually stock these on my website. I only have 3 left, and remember, once all of my accessories have gone from CocoCrochet.com, I'm not ordering any more in. So yeah, 3 left. If you want to get your hands on a pair of these, then click the link in the description box below. And also, if you don't know where the description box below is, below this video you'll see a little arrow. Click the arrow and it will bring up loads of more information, and I always leave a bunch of information in the description box. So if you ever wonder where that is, that's where it is. So yes, I have 3 of these left. Get your hands on them quickly if you want them, because I have a feeling they'll go pretty soon. So on to stitches that I've been loving. I recently did a video on the Cobble Stitch, which is this here, and I absolutely love the texture of this. This is a really good stitch to do if you're not very good at the puff, the bobble, or the popcorn stitch. So maybe if you're a beginner and not quite ready for that yet, this is a really good alternative. Super quick, super easy, and it's got a really nice result to it. Already looking at this, I have a project in mind of how I want to finish this off. This is actually the sample that I did for the video itself, but I would like to try and make this into something. So I'm leaving that to one side, so hopefully I can get round to making the project that is in my head. So speaking of projects and stitches as well, I have been loving this stitch. and if you watched my video from last month, my last monthly favourites, you might recognise this yarn. So basically this is the Shepshears, and yes, I still haven't quite learned how to say that, but this is the whirl, and I have started the virus blanket. So on my channel I have the virus shawl video, which you can go and check that out, and yes, I will be doing a virus blanket video tutorial for you, so that will be on my channel soon. I thought I'd point that out because I know I'll get a bunch of questions asking me to do a tutorial on this, but yes, I'm loving this, and I don't know if you can see, but it's just started to fade a little bit lighter. If I hold it here, it's starting to go a little bit lighter here, and I just love the way it's turning out. So I am doing this a couple of rows at a time. Once I finish my work in the evening, I'll pick this up and just try and do a couple of rows, but I am loving it, and I'm loving the yarn as well. Okay, so I like to talk about some Instagram accounts that I've been loving just recently, and this month I want to mention two really lovely accounts. The first one is Boy and Bunting, Matt from A Boy and Bunting. I love his account. I think his photos are fantastic. I think his projects are awesome. He's taken a little bit of an Instagram break at the moment just to have a bit of personal time, but I would love it if you go and check him out because I love his account, and I followed him since he pretty much started, and then seeing where he's got to now, I just think it's really, really lovely. So go and check him out. The other account that I want to talk about is Frederica Creates. Her Instagram is just beautiful. It's got really nice soft pastel colours, and yeah, I just really think that you will like to see the projects that she makes. So if you do go and check out either of those accounts, don't forget to say that I sent you and say hello from me as well. And don't forget, if you're not already following me on Instagram, then you can find me at Bella Coco Crochet. So another thing that I want to talk about is my website. So it's bellacococrochet.com. I have recently, in the last few months, changed that from bellacocostore.com to bellacococrochet.com because I am trying to make that more of a hub for everything that I do. So you can go on there, you can find my patterns, you can find the colour packs that I do in collaboration with Love Crochet. You can find the tools that I have left on the store, and you can also find blog posts as well. So if I'm doing a tutorial, what I'm doing is I'm really trying to create a blog post for that tutorial so that you have the video tutorial and the written pattern. But one of the most exciting things that I've done recently for the website is changed a bit how you can comment on there, because what I was finding with the blog posts is people will comment and I wasn't able to reply back, which was super frustrating for me, and it must have been frustrating to other people because it would seem like I'm just not responding. But I have changed that now, so unfortunately all of the old comments have actually been removed, so I can bring this new commenting system into place. And the really good thing about it is that you can actually add photos on there as well. So if you're looking at a blog post and you've created something from that blog post, then you can go ahead and put a picture of your creation, which I think is really, really nice. So definitely go ahead and check out the website. It's still a little bit of a work in progress. There's lots more updates that I want to make on there. For example, I want to make a stitch library so that you can easily find stitches that you're looking for. I want to add a better search facility or a filtering system so you can choose between projects that might be beginner, intermediate and advanced, that kind of thing. So just bear with me, it is a slow process. I am not a website designer or a graphic designer or anything like that, so it does take me a little bit longer in between everything else that I'm doing as well. But if you do have any ideas of what you would like to see on that website, then please let me know. I would be more than happy to listen to your ideas. So let's now wrap this up with the winner of last month's mini giveaway. So I've been searching the hashtag BCC May 18, which is from last month, and I came across this gorgeous blanket. It was a blanket that was created using the Apache Tears tutorial, and it is just super nice. So congratulations to the winner, Poppy Seeds Beads. I will be in touch via Instagram to get your address, and I will be looking at your profile and sending you something out that I think you will really like. So if you want to be in with a chance of winning next month, all you have to do is use the hashtag BCC June 18, and I will be looking at that throughout the month and choosing a winner and announcing it in my next favourites video. So that is it for my favourites. I really hope that you've enjoyed watching. As always, if you're not subscribed already and you like my videos, please make sure you subscribe. We just hit 440,000 or 441,000 subscribers, which is crazy. I am fingers crossed that we hit that big 500,000 by the end of the year. It might be a big target to reach, but I would love it. So if you do watch my videos, you're not subscribed already, please make sure you do. And a lot of people have been saying that they're not getting notifications of when my videos go live. So all that you have to do is, once you've clicked subscribe, that red button will turn grey, and you'll also see a bell button. Click that bell button, and that means that you'll get notifications of when my videos go live as soon as they go live, so you can be one of the first ones to watch. But thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up, and I shall see you again in my next video. Bye guys!